Today, we're going to have the one and only Deontay show us how to use the Vapotherm high-flow nasal cannula machine. The first step is to plug in the oxygen and airflow tubes that supply the Vapotherm, as well as plug it into the power outlet. Next, you'll grab the pre-packaged supply kit stocked with the machine.
What you want to do first is you want to actually take this piece and plug it into here, into the cartridge. You'll see the holes will line up. Go ahead and stick it in there. Make sure you have a good seal. The next piece is you want to flip around. You'll see the holes down here. You want to take your hose here, and you'll see this inserts right into here, and make sure that that's flush. Once you make sure that's flush, you'll take this whole cartridge system and you'll stick it in this way so that these two clamps go behind here and they slide in. If you look on the other side, you'll see a hose here. It's a little port that'll go down into there. What you want to do is just kind of slide it down, make sure it's in there pretty good, and then shut your door. Go ahead and spike your bag. Hang it up here for now, and then go ahead and open it on up. So obviously it's off when this is in red. It's not working. So you hit the button just one time. The screen is light up. You have your liters per minute, your oxygen, and your temperature. But to go ahead and actually operate it, just go ahead and hit the button here. This button will flash which one that you will be able to change. So here's your liters per minute. If you want to put somebody on, say, 10 liters per minute at 50% oxygen, you just hit and you turn. It'll automatically accept it once you make the changes. Always good to start somebody off around 38 degrees Celsius. Once you got your settings plugged in, you'll just hit this again, and then you can probably hear it. It'll start up. You'll see the water flowing through the circuit. That's how you know it's working. It'll take a minute. So it takes a minute to heat up. So although you see 22, it'll gradually come up to where you set it at. And now the air is flowing through here. Notice that it's green. There's no other indicators on there. That's when you know that it's working. So this nasal cannula is for pre-intubation only, and during intubation, this is for passive oxygenation and trying to pre-oxygenate a patient. And that's the only reason these should be used. These should not be used on normal patients above 6 liters. This is specifically for your Vapotherm. You need to use the one for Vapotherm because if you put this one on the Vapotherm, you will cause rain out and possibly get pneumonia. We've had a case like that already. So you need to make sure that you're using the right nasal cannula for the right instrument. If you see anything yellow coming up, that indicates that there's an issue with the machine. Your biggest issue most of the time will be your water is not hanging flush. And so if it's kinked here, it's not able to filtrate down through the machine. So you'll get an error on the screen here. Just make sure that your water sits up kind of flush and has a good path of going back down into your system.